So welcome to another tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to be making a shaft. Shaft for the feeder. So you can start with the right plane, then you draw a circle that is 22 mm in diameter, like this. Then you shall use midpoint or mid plane to extrude, and it will be of 600 mm length. So having reached that level, so we shall go back to the top plane, then we do that, and we can do center line. Center line is measuring 20 millimeters. You can do midline. It's measuring 4 millimeters. That you do the same on the other side. This can convert 20. Then we trim straight away, just like that. We are going to extrude steel using mid plane. This time around it's going to be 4 millimeters. We're going to employ circular pattern, and shall select this guy. We make 6 pieces only. Okay, it's easy. I can either make this merge like this, and we continue to our circular pattern. Oops. Six. So there we are. So on finishing, we realized that one end was shorter than the other, so we had to extrude cut for 50 mm. To that level. Then the other end was extrude cut to that. So having reached this stage, we made a key way that's 80 millimeters by 12 like that, extruded through 22 millimeters. Like that. So this is the shaft. Just save that. Please keep around for another one. Thank you.